Awesome, and awesome. So now let's learn some different HTML tags. If I talk about now, what we are going to do, we are going to simply copy and paste a lot of stuff, and obviously we will learn down the line. So now what do I want to do? I actually want to copy this particular paragraph. If I talk about, so let me simply copy this paragraph and create a new paragraph here, and I'll paste it here inside the paragraph tag. Guys, please understand one thing. You have to focus on this. This paragraph is starting and the paragraph is closing. If you're not going to do that, it's going to be a bit difficult for you. So now let's focus on one thing. And first of all, I think I should turn off the word wrap right now, because so that it is visible to everyone. Now let's focus on few things. First of all, you can see the Star Wars is kind of italic, which we do in Word or maybe Google Docs, and it is also bold. Now how can I do that? I don't have a tag right now with me. So what I'll do, I'll actually use something which is known as strong. So what I'll do, I want to put strong tag. I want to make this Star Wars first of all kind of bold. So how will I do that? I will say I will come in front of it and I'll say strong, strong, and obviously it is closing for me, so I'll remove this and I'll paste it after was. Focus on the syntax. Starting tag, the text inside the tag, and the closing tag. Guys, syntax is almost similar for these tags, almost similar. You can see starting p tag, the content here, the closing p tag, the starting tag, the content, and the closing tag. So syntax is almost similar. So this is our strong tag. What it does, it is simply bold. It simply makes our text bold. But here what they have done, they have also done it as italic. So how can I do that? So to do making it italic, obviously we have to do something which is known as emphasis tag. So I'll say angle bracket em starting tag, the content, the closing tag. I'll save the file, and now you can see this Star Wars is not only bold, but it is italic as well. Again, I'll repeat, it is not only bold, but it is italic as well. So now let's focus on the other tags. Now you can see here, like if that is visible, this one, if I talk about, it's in the I would say in the upper section of it, or I would say it's a part of a super tag. So superscript and subscript. So basically these are the two tags which actually help us do something which is we are not able to do right now. So let's say if I want to make this one inside square brackets as superscript. So what I'll do, I'll say starting tag, which is SUP, and I'll the content, and I'll paste it here. Once I save the file, you can see now it is superscript. Now it is superscript. In similar fashion, I can do the subscript as well. So I don't know what is subscript. If I talk about an example of it, I'm not pretty much sure about it, but let me actually show you. I'll use a new paragraph, and I'll say Avinash sub set. I'll save the file, and now you can see it's Avinash and the subscript is set. Again, I'm not able to recall what kind of an example I can show you, but yeah, that is how we do that. And if I talk about in terms of superscript or subscript, if I may, they are more used mathematically, if I may, or maybe used for the scientific equations. Okay, so right now, since we are not going to use it, so I'm going to simply comment that. I'll save the file. So now you can see we have done two things, which is subscript and superscript. Now try to understand one thing. Avinash, can I make this hyperlink separate? Well, yes, I can. So what I'll do, I'll simply copy this link. I've right clicked, copy this link, and now I want to put it put this inside this superscript. I have to put this inside superscript. Try to understand my language. I have to put the anchor tag inside my superscript. How will I do it? Opening tag, content, closing tag. Pause the video, try to do it yourself and let me know if you were able to do it or not. I'll wait for a second and then I'll show you my answer. So now how we will do that? So it's very simple. Try to understand one thing. The syntax is always same. Starting tag, content, closing tag. Now what do I want to do? I want to use anchor tag. So I'll start with the anchor tag A and the closing tag. That's the syntax. That's the part number 1 I have done. Starting tag, content, closing tag. Now what I'll do? I'll just paste in the link. So I will right click here, copy the link, and I will come here and I'll say anchor, href, and inside that I will paste my link. Once I save the file, you can see now it has this particular link. If I'm going to click on it, obviously it is lending me to that particular page, which I don't want to go right now. So this is how you can see we can do that. Now again, I do understand you guys are very intelligent, so that is why you're subscribed to our channel. So you can please convert this epic space opera multimedia franchise. Again, I would recommend that you guys do that, otherwise it will take me so much time to actually finish that. So in this particular video, we learned about almost 4 tags. So what they are: strong tag, emphasize tag, superscript, and subscript. Try to understand one thing. We have more tags compared to what we have discussed, but I want to keep it very simple for you guys. So that's it for this particular video. In case if you have a question, put them in the comment, or if you are a bit confused with any of the concept, the whole playlist is available in our channel. Go and watch videos there. And finally, if you have questions, you can come to our live sessions. And obviously, I am always available on the comments sections.